doesn't love French fries? Come on, these are my guilty pleasure. Today we're glamming them up, making Parmesan Truffle Fries, and I'm going to show you how to make these French fries perfect for the ultimate pommes frites. Grab your aprons, let's cook. Hey guys, what is up? Today we're making Parmesan Truffle Fries. When it comes to making simple foods like French fries, technique is everything. I'm going to show you how to ensure these French fries come out perfectly. We're going to first start with 4 to 5 russet potatoes. I like russet simply because they're going to be fluffy on the inside, we'll make them crisp on the outside, and for the long shape. We want long French fries, right? Not short stubby ones. So let's clean these up, and now we need to peel them. So our potatoes are peeled. Now we're going to use a mandolin. So we're going to get those perfect 3/8 of an inch matchsticks. And I'll also show you how to do this with a chef's knife. So if you don't have a mandolin, you just take your chef's knife. You want to just take a little bit off so that way you have a nice flat surface. That way it doesn't roll around on you. And then you're going to slice it into 1/4 inch matchsticks. I found that by soaking the russet potatoes in cold water 30 minutes to overnight pulls out a lot of that starch and prevents them from sticking when we go to blanch fry them. And also it keeps them intact. Otherwise they can get super tender and fall apart because they do have a lot of starch. We want to get all that moisture off of our potatoes. So the great part is you can do this step, putting them in water 30 minutes to overnight. You can put them in your refrigerator covered. And then before we get ready to blanch fry them, you're going to take them out, put them on heavy duty, clean kitchen towels. We want to get all that moisture off because if you add it into the oil while they're a little bit wet, utter chaos. So we want them nice and dry. So you want to heat a heavy bottom pot or a Dutch oven. We're going to add 6 to 8 cups of canola oil or peanut oil. So you want a high smoke point oil because you want to withstand those high temperatures of deep frying. And you want a candy thermometer, or you could also use a regular thermometer. We want to first do a blanch fry at 220 degrees. So about medium to medium low temperature. And then now we're just going to add our fries in. So super important step. Work in batches, 4 to 6 batches. You don't want to overcrowd the pot. What will happen is it will reduce that temperature and then they won't cook evenly. Now we're cooking from the inside first. You just take your tongs and gently give them a little zhuzh and then leave them be 2 minutes. And while you're working in batches, keep the potatoes covered while you're blanch frying so they don't oxidize. So all of our fries are blanch fried. At this point, you can leave them right on your countertop, as is, up to 4 hours. So when I'm entertaining, that's what I do. And when my company comes, you just heat your oil up to medium-high heat, 350, 360 degrees, and then we're gonna crisp the outside. Again, in batches, 4 to 5 batches. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. And as soon as you add them with your tongs, just give them a gentle, very gentle zhuzh. If you overcrowd the pan, again, same thing happens. It reduces that temperature, or if you add too many, the oil could bubble over, and that's a disaster. It's happened to me. About 2 to 3 minutes, and they're perfectly golden. And as soon as they come out of the fryer, you want to hit them vigorously with kosher salt. And now we're going to transfer them onto a platter. So I like to put them on a platter because we're gonna add some truffle oil and I want it to stay on the platter and soak all through the fries. So you're just gonna take your finger on top of the spout and then just sort of splash it all over the fries and it will soak in beautifully. And then truffle salt, because potatoes need their salt. And that's just a little extra truffle boost. And then Parmigiano-Reggiano, right over top. It smells heavenly. Restaurant worthy. You can do this at home. And some chopped Italian flat leaf parsley right on top. Now we gotta give it a taste. Can you hear that? Perfectly crispy on the outside, fluffy and tender on the inside. You get that nice hit of truffle, delicious nutty flavor from the Parmigiano-Reggiano, freshness from the parsley. Come on. You need these in your life. And there you have it, Parmesan truffle fries, or you could call them Parmigiano-Reggiano truffle palm frites. If you liked this video, you learned something, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe. I do roll out a new homemade, made easy recipe video each week. And if you want to check out more of my other recipes, you can click this video link right here or click this one, and I'll meet you over there.